system. So whatever certificate are issued by a CA, that will come to us for validation, and we'll store the validation result, and we will mark them. If there are any error, we will mark them as critical, high, medium, low, and no error. And we will store, apart from that, we will also store the CRL in the blockchain and DSC profiles which are used for storing the certificate. So that will be our blockchain based digital signature system.
QKD protocols, testing QKD protocols where we generate secure keys from a single photo. This is a fiber-based QKD. So it's an Alice and box setup shown here. As I have generated a random pattern from the Alice side, and it will be translated to a single photon. And at the bottom there is a single photon source. That is the crucial element of the QKD. And at the receiver side, through the timestamp recording, I will retrieve the pattern that is sent from the Alice.
Hardware and the software ecosystem is indigenously being built. So what we have over here is the flight controller, which is managing all the operations of the drone. Now we have integrated a secure element over here, and this secure element is communicating with the RF controller, and through that what we are doing is we are doing mutual authentication of the control ground station. So this ground control station is also indigenously being built with an Android native app, and we'll show you a demonstration of how this is going to work with authorization and pairing of the ground control station and the drone. We are able to do a secure communication.
So this is the empirical prototype that we have. So we have the instrument cluster with ABS, and this is an electronic protocol. This goes to two-wheeler as well as four-wheeler. So our motive is to establish the PKI-based security in the in-vehicle networks. In-vehicle networks are carrying most FlexRay, those kind of protocols. So what we have is an in-vehicle server. This server will be connected to the root CA and the OEM. So this will be responsible for verifying the certificates. So this shows, the LED shows whether the certificates are valid or not. So we have two control units. So this is for controlling the headlight, and this is for controlling this electronic throttle. Now when the certificates are valid, then we will be able to control, and you can see that the volume is rotating over here. This is the axle pedal. Similarly, we can also see this headlight on and off. So if a particular unit is found malicious or it has to be disabled remotely, then we can disable it from the dashboard.
And how much time? We can generate